Your body knows how to create vibrant health. Your built-in cellular intelligence can unleash the best version of you. And intelligent cells need intelligent nutrition. CellSentials from USANA delivers optimal nutrition for your cells, combined with the revolutionary science of intelligence for the ultimate in advanced comprehensive supplementation. USANA's patent-pending intelligence speaks your body's own biomolecular language with nutrient complexes that tap into the communication codes inside your cells. This groundbreaking cell signaling technology optimizes the powerful processes already encoded within you. Only CellSentials with Intelligence offers the triple action support that provides optimal nourishment, enhanced antioxidant protection, and innovative cellular renewal. CellSentials starts by nourishing your cells. Most people simply don't get enough essential nutrition in their diets. Optimal nutrition means a complete spectrum of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and special phytonutrients. Thanks to USANA's in-house, state-of-the-art manufacturing and research and development, CellSentials delivers pure, effective ingredients and formulations. With its groundbreaking cell signaling technology, the intelligence complex in CellSentials optimizes antioxidant production inside your cells. Antioxidants are your first line of defense against free radical attacks, which happen all day, every day, as your body produces and uses energy, and as you deal with stress and the toxic environment around you. Antioxidants created by your body are hundreds of times more powerful than the ones you get from your diet. CellSentials optimizes your body's natural power to protect itself. The powerful, proven nutrients in the intelligence complex also communicate with your cells to enhance their natural renewal response. The mitochondria are your body's energy factories, but when they get old, they produce less energy and more waste in the form of free radicals. CellSentials signals the purification process that recycles old mitochondria, resulting in clean, efficient energy production to power your life. With CellSentials, USANA is the only company to deliver comprehensive triple-action support all in one nutritional system. You simply can't find USANA quality on the shelf at the store. With USANA, what's on the label is 100% guaranteed to be in the bottle. It's no wonder that over 1,000 of the world's most elite athletes trust USANA to help power their performance. CellSentials is also available in USANA's Health Pack and My Health Pack, which offer an expanded and more personalized nutritional regimen in convenient AM and PM packs. So join the millions of people around the world, including over 1,000 elite athletes who have trusted their health to the worldwide leader in personalized nutrition. USANA. Your health, your life, your way.